Oh, they're so excited.
It is time to release them. So here
I'm
we
so
go.
sad.
You don't have to be. They're going to live
Ready?
right there in the bush because we're going to leave them there. So they stay.
All right.
They will stick around.
The painted ladies are leaving. And wherever you release them, they will stay in the area.
Wait. 1 second. You have to put them over there because if not, they're going to start eating these plants over here. Ready? Freedom. They have been raised. They look very good.
Tongue out.
Yeah, he's.
You're leaving.
He's hungry.
Oh, so cute.
He's
Stop fitting on his skin.
I'm good. I'm good with it.
It's beautiful, puppy. Put it on the bush like this. Just let it touch the leaf. Yeah.
Oh, he doesn't want to go on the leaf.
He loves you.
He loves